Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move columns to rows and vice versa in Microsoft Excel. So here you can see 1 to 5 numbers in this column. Now I want to move this to a row. For that, first of all, select all these numbers. Then right click your mouse button. From there select copy. Now select the row that you want to paste these numbers and right click the mouse button again. Now in the paste options select transpose. Here you can see the numbers moved from a column to a row. Now if you want to copy these numbers to a column, follow the same procedure. First of all, select all these numbers, then right click, then select copy. Now select the column that you want to paste these numbers. Now right click the mouse button, then select transpose from paste options. Now you can see the numbers copied into this column. So I hope this is helpful for you guys and see you guys on the next video.